In this video, this ascending channel that has been forming with the Bitcoin price action has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, are we now seeing a much bigger move with the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to the Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin was we were monitoring this ascending channel forming in the 4-hour time frame. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we are just going to monitor this up until magkaroon siya ng breakout sa kanyang certain support areas or resistance areas. And take a look at this. We saw a breakdown na nga dito. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, if the moment na mangyari yan, that is a time for a short position. And hindi ko na actually kayo nabigyan ng update kung ano usually ano yung magiging next move dyan. But usually, a breakout like this usually goes to this bottom of the channel. And on top of that, siguro you can also look, nagkaroon din siya ng support area dito. You can see na nagkakaroon ng consistent support area around the $81,000 US. So somewhat that caused a bounce dito, going back to the previous support area, which is now acting as a resistance before heading to the final target. So right now, what is the next move dito kay Bitcoin price action? So given na nangyari na ngayon, now let's try to zoom out dito in the daily time frame kasi meron akong gusto ipakita sa inyo, and that is here. And if you're going to open this daily time frame chart, then plot a resistance dito, you can see na we are forming a clear resistance dito. At the same time, sa support area niya, it is right now forming a falling wedge. And traditionally, a falling wedge is a bullish trend reversal pattern indicating na we are going to see an upward trend movement na nga dito. And on top of that, meron din dito actually nag-form na bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. You can see na in the 4-hour time frame, you can see na we are paunti-unti nagkakaroon ng bullish divergence. But it's not as clear as it is. Medyo tabingi siya na konti kasi you can see yung lowest point niya dito didn't even go much lower than the current dito. So as you can see, I know may bullish divergence but hindi siya ganun ka-clear. But I think the only way to confirm this bullish divergence is magkaroon man lang siya ng one last push to the downside to retest itong resistance area. One last push to the downside tapos saka siya akyat. Then only then we can confirm that bullish divergence. And at the same time, dapat may buy volume siya. Now, when it comes to target, ano ba yung magiging target price action sa atin dito kay Bitcoin? So, to look at this movement ngayon, ang target area natin dito would be the following. So, number 1 would be this first resistance area around the $87,600 US. So, that is the first target. The next target would be around the $91,000 US or roughly 92,000 to be exact. So, I think mas exactly 92,000 kasi I know 92,000 is previously a support area. Right now, that is going to act as a resistance. Then, ang magiging final target niyan would be around the 100 to 105,000 US. So, siguro let's stick around 101,000 US. So, that is the next target of this next move. So, right now, falling wedge. I'm waiting for a retest dito. And magkaroon siya ng breakout to the upside. First target is the 85,000 US or actually 86. Next is the 91. Then final is yung 100,000 US. So that is what we're going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. If you want to trade this guys with the lowest fees possible, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if di pa kayo marunong mag-trade, meron din tayong Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na if you want to learn how to trade from scratch and if you want to learn all of this analysis, you can all learn them for free. You can find them guys in the description down below. So make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. Anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.